maybe you have plans to celebrate with some of your favorite girls or guys for Galentine's, or is it, I don't know what you say, guys, Galentine's?
Sure.
Guys don't do
like
that.
it.
Yeah, but Valentine's Day, or there's some football game coming up, you need something to feed a crowd. We've got a great solution. We've got registered dietitian, diabetes educator, and national spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, Grace Derocha, with us with a very fun, interactive delight that will feed a crowd.
Yes. So we have, you've heard of butter boards.
I've had one.
Yeah, they're delicious.
So good. But we're trying to not eat animal fats.
Right, we're trying to cut back a little bit for our heart health this month.
Yep.
So this is a play on this. It's a hummus board.
I love it.
And we already spread the hummus.
Yeah, look how pretty, and Grace is so good at that. Love that.
You guys use a spoon and you can make like the little divots. That's my tip.
Or do a zhuzh.
Yeah, whatever inspires you. So this is so fun because you can add any toppings you really want. And it ends up being beautiful. We're gonna talk and do and make.
Okay.
This happens.
I love the beets.
My hands are clean.
Yes, her hands are clean. We have washed them. And just layer how you want.
Yeah.
But again, you can pick things you like, eliminate the ones you don't. We've got some very, very potent onions. So yeah, this is a good for, if you're not kissing anyone, perhaps. Or if you are, then leave the onions out because, man, they're kicking.
Well, and it's for Galentine's, you can have all your girls bring over their favorite topping, Yeah. You guys can make the hummus together. You can do store-bought, whatever your heart literally desires.
Yes, and these are all just fun. These are all very healthy for you ingredients, too, that we're adding.
Yeah. So we have hummus itself is a chickpea base. It's great. So it's plant-based. It's filling. There's protein. There's fiber. There's some carbs, and then we're adding some olives for more heart-healthy fat, beets for some fiber. We're getting water and more nutrition from cucumbers,
and the
pomegranate, and the feta for some yummy flavor.
Cheese.
I love dill, so we have dill. And also, you can have a bigger board and have people make their own little section.
Well, I think everybody could do their own,
Yeah,
everybody bring your own favorite, and you can taste and see and, be inspired.
But it's fun, it's gorgeous. This parsley is from my little herb garden on my counter.
I love that.
So it's legit.
It's fresh, so fresh.
Yeah, more feta.
I know, I'm like, cheese, you got some more cheese? We'll do more.
But we're literally making this in front of you, and it's so easy. So
right, it is. Like, this is literally the easiest.
And also, as a dietitian, I love to talk about ways that we can squeeze good nutrition in. Sometimes during big games, I've heard that you can eat upwards of 2,400 calories in that game.
During that 4 to 5 hour period.
Yeah. And then in that day, 6,000 calories.
It's a lot of calories.
So
that's a derailer for a day, for sure.
So just thinking about different ways that you can add good nutrition in. I'm not here to tell you that you have to cut things out, but I think when we think of adding things in that we need, that can nourish us, and also delicious and fun, look at how pretty it is.
Gorgeous. I think this is amazing. And the great thing about hummus too is that you can use veggies as a best, your dipper.
Right.
Obviously we've got some pita chips and we've got some pita, but you can use many different things.
Yeah, you can use a variety of different vegetables that are also colorful.
I love that. So just let your creativity go wild. Yeah. And make sure that you're, treating your Galentine's well by bringing good food to their house.
Perfect.
All right. Thank you so much,
Enjoy.
Grace. Yeah. Well, cheers. Here. Will you be my Galentine?
Yes.
Yay.